Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to take scrolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. So to show you this, I'm just gonna open any web page, for example this Canva one. And now to take a screenshot, you just need to press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And now the basic screenshot is taken. But for this scrolling screenshot, you just need to make the same movement. So press these two buttons together and now choose this arrow and tap it to capture the whole page. Here you can see that it is just making screenshot bigger. When you want to stop with your screenshot, just simply tapping this button and it will be saved to your gallery. So let's check it. I'm gonna open gallery and here we can find our screenshots if we go in the album and here select screenshot. So here is our big screenshot. You can see the whole website here. And that's it how you use it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.